My name's Amy Stokes, and this year at the Otago Rally, me and my brother are involved in one of the scariest crashes we've had yet.
Took this one as a flat right, definitely not a flat right, it's a 5. Off here, over the fence, think we rolled a few times here, lost a few windows, hit the bar, took out the gate and the posts and ended up here.
Right, so we started stage 5, Macintosh Road, a personal favourite of mine on the Otago Rally. Not anymore obviously, but about 400 metres into the stage, I don't know what it was, but I just wasn't listening to Amy and the notes. Often la la land, some would say. And it was really a lot tighter corner than I thought it was. And we sort of drove through it flat, and it was not flat. We had a ditch on the outside, rolled over a fence. I think we rolled about 2 times, took out a few posts and a gate, flattened that, and into the water down the bank. It was quite scary. I felt water hitting my boots, and I knew instantly I had to get out, so I yelled at Amy to get out of the car, and luckily she got out very quick, and yeah, we were really lucky to get out as fast as we did, because I don't know what else we would have done if it was a different scenario, sort of thing.
I thought we were rolling down the road, and then suddenly when everything stopped and we came to, it was just a big splash, and that's when I realised that there was water there. So when we hit the water, there wasn't really any discussion. Robbie just told me to get out straight away, and because my window was already open there, I could just jump out, and so we didn't really think twice about it.
I think we definitely have a plan if we do hit water again, which I really hope we never do again, because it's now thinking, having some time to think about it and realising what could have happened. We got very lucky with the way the crash did happen. But yeah, we would have a plan this time. If the window didn't smash, to smash it as soon as possible. So yeah, the round that we've just done, the second round of the championship at Ray, we made sure we had all the safety gear to smash the glass and the belt cutters and everything if it did ever happen again. Yeah.
Did you have those in tow?
I've just found out we didn't, no. And that's quite scary looking back now.
I was pretty nervous about getting back in the car in Whangarei. Especially the first stage back after the crash was Pauwi Island, and last year we crashed at Pauwi Island, so it was a big deal.
I love rallying and the adrenaline that comes with it, but I cannot stress this enough. If you have a big crash, you must have a plan to get out and always be prepared for the worst.